Activating notifications on your Spectrum mobile device is essential for staying updated on messages, calls, and app alerts. Follow these steps to ensure you receive all important notifications. Step 1. Access Settings. Open the Settings app on your Spectrum mobile device. This is usually represented by a gear icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Navigate to Notifications. Scroll down and find the Notifications option in the Settings menu. Tap on it to access the notification settings for your device. Step 3. Enable Notifications. In the Notifications menu, you'll see a list of apps. Select the app for which you want to enable notifications. Make sure the toggle for Allow Notifications is turned on. Step 4. Customize Notification Preferences. Once notifications are enabled, you can customize how you receive them. Choose options for sound, vibration, and whether to show notifications on the lock screen. Step 5. Test Notifications. After adjusting your settings, test the notifications by sending a message or triggering an alert from the app you configured. Ensure that you receive the notification as expected. By following these steps, you can effectively activate and customize notifications on your Spectrum mobile device. Stay connected and informed with these.